All right, back with this will be my third video. So this time I'm going back to the 5 blasters and the 10. Breaking up what I open up. Trying not to stay with the same thing every time, but it is still WNBA, just different versions of it. But I'll do the blue 10 this time. And these 5 boxes here. So let's go ahead and get these opened up. I really should try to have something already prepped for all the plastic wrappers and boxes, but no, I still just jump right in and don't prepare. So let's get that. Yep. As I try not to reach back with the blade and smack the crap out of the camera, because these things are fighting me back. Plastic. And I've got some static clean going on with my chair. And me. How's the lighting in this? Probably garbage. Let go. Let go. Plastic. Static clean. Move you over here. Get the box open. Bye. Fight. Bye. I think that landed. Oh, nope. I thought it landed in the back of my chair, but it didn't. Come on. Pick that up later. Meh. Alright, what do I want to do with these? Go like that. Get out. And bye. You there? And I try not to slice my thumb open and bleed out on the video. Meh. So, went to one of my local card shops yesterday after work, and just to see what WNBA stuff they had. All they had was the college or the draft, Panini draft picks or whatever, draft choice or future stars or whatever that unlicensed, no pro jersey stuff is. And it was like $200 something for the holiday hobby box. And then their older boxes, they just had 2002. It was it Don? No, not Don Russ. Fleer, I think. Yeah, I mean, $100 a box. Yeah, I need to look in to see if there's any players I'm interested in back in 2002. I think Sue Bird, but I don't know if she had an actual rookie card in that, or was it a redemption rookie. But I need to verify that. Otherwise, I'll buy some up if there's Sue Bird rookies in there. And then they had these for $50 a 10. I bought a bunch of them when I saw they were on a regular shelf, or on Walmart shelf. Yeah, these are not worth $50. Nah. They're cool. Nice tin. But 4 packs? Nah. But either way, passed on everything at that shop. I'll put you back there. And of course, let's see. The last time I opened the Select in the first video, I don't remember getting a single Kamilla Cardoso. So, if I do not get a Cardoso, I will eat this thing finally. But if I do get one, then it lives on for another day. So, Dewberry, hopefully you continue on, because I do not want to mess with that. And here we go. As I never can master these packs. Got Kelsey Mitchell, Enrique Ogumbawale. So there's one that I keep. I'll put you right there. Let's see, will it zoom out more? Nope. Brittany Sykes, Isabel Harrison on the Flash. So move you back. These are the cards I keep. I'll have my rookie set right there. Sounds like a horrible plan, but that's what I'll go with for the moment. Maddie Segrist, Erica Wheeler, Cheyenne Parker-Tyus, and an all-star, Nafisa Collier. So she goes there. And screw it. Oh, there's a rookie on the back. Oop, that's another. Izzy Magbagor, Carly Samuelson, Van Loo on the rookie, and a Van Loo on the, is that a red cracked ice? And because your rookie, insert, I don't think, not numbered. No, but still. I'll put you right there. Ooh, that one opened up better. Maya Moore. And we have a Clark. Put you there for now. Carla Samuelson and a Dawn Staley on the silver. Silver, that's it. That's what I kept forgetting the name of. So Clark. And my local card shop, I noticed, was selling these base select Clarks, $20 a pop. $20 a pop. They had Angel Reese's for $10, just the base. So, ugh. Kennedy Carter, do keep her. Asia Wilson, do keep her. Tiffany Mitchell, and a pink on a Kalani Brown. Yeah, I'm trying to go through these quick. Why am I going left hand over there? Alyssa Thomas, JC Sheldon on the rookie. Tiffany Mitchell, Marina Mabry on the Flash. I'm not a Mabry fan. May have said it in some other videos, but I think she flops too much. And Van Loo is heading that way. Dee got a Dee Mitchell. Shakira Austin, keep her. Lee Yi-Roo, and a pink on a Natasha Howard. Get back over here. All right, Haley Jones, Brianna Stewart, Dewana Bonner, and a Kelsey Mitchell on the Flash. Get down there. Almost look like trying to poke back out of there. All right, I have an Aerial Powers. Nika Mule on the rookie. Joel Lloyd. Diana Taurasi. Not even a single. What the? No Flash, no Prison or Silver, no anything. Guess this was considered the insert. The snapshot. Okay. Great. Oh, and then this one wants to fight. And then fall apart. Taisha Harris, Brianna Jones. Oh, got a Maya Moore with the trophy thing there. And Zaya Cook, numbered at a what, 199? 399. All right, you're numbered, so I'll just leave you. I'll put you there. How about I do this and use Reese Puffs there as my something to stabilize it. Diana Taurasi, Jaylen Brown on a rookie, Cheyenne Parker Tyus, and a Diana Taurasi on the Flash. Get in here. Not numbered, but still an insert. Hopefully I'm not breathing too heavy into the phone mic as I try to rip this pack open with my weakness. Don Staley, Derek Hamby, Caitlin Clark rookie on that one. I don't think I have that one yet. Maddie Searist on the silver. I don't think I've got that Clark yet. That's nice. Nice to have one that I don't already have. Add to my Clark group. Yeah, so that one's a courtside. Nice. Is it any different? Okay, yeah. Rakia Jackson on the rookie. Celeste Taylor on a rookie. Dana Evans, U of L connection. And an Ariel Atkins on the pink. I do like Ariel Atkins. And I will sleeve up my Dana Evans as well. I'll probably have to buy Dana Evans auto card online. It'd be Dana Evans, and I'll probably do a Emily Inksler. I'll just put you right there. Fight. Sue Bird, Kelsey Mitchell, J.C. Sheldon on the insert, or not the insert, the court side. Feature star of Celeste Taylor. So I guess that's the insert for that pack. Got a flash in here. Ezzy Magbegor, Carly Samuelson, Julie Van Loo on the rookie, and a flash of Ezzy Magbegor. Going quick. I'm not sure if you're able to see these as well, because I'm not using the camera. Got a Maya Moore, another Caitlin Clark, Christy Tolliver, and an Ariel Atkins on the, it's like the silver of the Premier. Not bad. I need 2 sleeves, or 2 loaders. Put Atkins here. And the base Clark. All right, I'm going to put the base here. You're going in front of Dewberry because you're the better Clark right now. I don't want to see you, Dewberry. I haven't seen a Cardoso. I might be tasting Dewberry. Haven't had a Brink either, or a Reese. Carter, Asia Wilson, Tiffany Mitchell, and a Dawn Staley on the pink. Alyssa Thomas, J.C. Sheldon on the rookie, Celeste Taylor on the rookie. Put hers right down there. Caitlin Clark on the All-Star Flash. So pretty. So pretty. That's a different one. Don't have that. Nice, nice. But it has to be a horizontal. Alright, so I guess I'll do that with you. Yeah. I mean, I'm getting some decent stuff. Stuff that I don't already have. Kayla McBride. Keisha Davis on the rookie, Christy Tolliver, and a pink Tiffany Mitchell. Hey, Brink makes her first appearance. And Jonquel Jones, Brianna Stewart, right up there. Erica Wheeler on the silver. All right, Brink made her appearance. Come on, Cardoso. Where are you at? Alicia Gray, Stephanie Dolson, Lexi Brown, and Diana Taurasi on the red. Still weird that those are not numbered. I need to clean this up. All you that are not collecting, we'll just player gather and pull them up. There's the inserts, not collecting. Diamond Miller, Jordan Horston, Kennedy Carter, and the Dewberry lives on. Kamilla Cardoso on the rookie. It's a silver premier. I mean, if I'm going to get a Cardoso, that's not a bad one to get. No, Durian. It lives on. Nice. Lives on another day. And I'll shell up my brink. Put you there. It lives on. Expire for all I care. Satu Sabali, Nancy Lieberman, Courtney Williams, and a pink of Maya Moore. Oh, there's an insert. That's a numbered card right there. Somebody that I actually like too. Skylar Diggins Smith. I don't know. I don't think I keep her. Dorka Uhas, I do. Grace Berger. And here's the Jackie Young, numbered to $3.99. Now, I've got my 2019 box up there, so I think that's Jackie Young's rookie here, which will be my next box I open. And I'm waiting on the regular Prism hobby to release. Just trying to decide, wait and see how much it's going to cost for a box. To see how many I'm going to get. Boston, Cheryl Swoops. Well, if I'm going to get Cardoso, let's keep it rolling. Cardoso rookie and an Ariel Atkins on the pink. So I need 2 on this. I think I have more than one Atkins pink. So no Cardoso at all, the last 5. This time I get 2. Oh, don't fall down. Got a numbered one, and it looks like a better number. Nika Ogumake, Duana Bonner, Marina Mabry. Oh! Caitlin Clark, Blue Flash, numbered to 99. Oh, don't you fall down on me. That's nice. That's a nice card to have. You weren't even the one I was primarily looking for this opening. Look at those nice Clarks I'm getting. I was looking for Cardoso just so I wouldn't have to eat my Durian. Nah, I'll take that too. Joel Lloyd, yes. Ariel Atkins, yes. Kate Martin on the rookie, and a flash of Sabrina. And I'm still debating on whether or not to buy one place I know online, a card shop out of state. Picked up a bunch of the Fanatics mega boxes for 2020. I'm fighting myself back from buying some of those just so I can get some, open up and try to get some of the Sabrina rookies. And I think Kennedy Carter's rookie years in that. Maybe, I can't remember if Ariel Powers that one as well or if she's 2019. Cannot remember. But I'm also still debating whether or not just say screw taking the risk on those boxes and just buy me a on-card auto rookie for Sabrina. Lexi Hull. Leah Edwards on the rookie. Angel Reese finally makes her appearance. We'll sleeve you up. And a Dawn Staley on the silver. Just got to sleeve this Reese up. So the majors, I've pulled, I'll put you right there. I pulled each major rookie that I can think of. The only one I didn't get was that Peely, Jordan Canada, Dejanay Carrington, Kelsey Plum. Ooh, nice pink to get. Nafisa Collier. Sleeve you up. Ooh, Nafisa, I think, is in the 2020? 2020 or in 2019, I can't remember. I'll have to try to look that up. I think she's in 2019. I think she's out of the box that I have. But I want to verify because I'm going to pick out who I'm searching for to keep from eating durian. Natasha Howard, Lauren Jackson, Rebecca Allen, and a futures of Jaylen Brown. Future Flash. It's not bad. I just don't know much about Jaylen Brown. But it's a nice card to get if you will know about Jaylen Brown. So we'll go there with the other. All right. So that was all of the blasters. Now we're hitting the 10. Now, let me get you out of here. On to the 10. I think the last time I opened a 10, I pulled a purple. And it was of Yi Rue. Izzy Harrison, Kayla Lou Samuelson, Natasha Cloud, and a future flash of Zaya Cook. It's not a rookie. So why are you giving her the feature? I don't know why. Because her rookie year was 23. Yeah, but you're a future flash, so I'm going to sleep. I'll shell you up. If I can. Yes, it's not a rookie card. But there you go. Why? Did she get injured? I thought she got released, but then pulled back. I don't understand that. The purpose of it. Jackie Young, yes. Mabry. Lou Lopez Senecal. Diana Taurasi on the red, kissing the trophy. That's a nice looking card. Don't think I'll be getting a purple or anything. I think that blue is going to be my best numbered card. I'm going to get my best numbered card. That's a good one to get. Elena Deladon, nope. Kalani Brown, Marina Johannes, Sevgi Uzun on a silver rookie. And since you are, I'll end up going back and hard shilling on my rookies just because, but this is an insert one, so yes, right away. There. And the last pack of the opening for today. Who will top it off? Who will tank it? Not that card. It will not be Alyssa Thomas. Hey, my first grinder. Tamika Catchings, Tina Charles, and it looks like Alyssa Thomas flash was the tail. All right, so I'll start with you guys. So I have my it's like the red Diana Taurasi kissing her trophy courtside. Pink Nafisa Collier. Flash Ionescu. Nice. I think this is the pink Ariel Atkins, and I feel like I have another Atkins. Yeah, I loaded up on Atkins. So there's one Atkins. There's a Jackie Young out of $3.99. Another Taurasi. I think this one's the red. Yes. Atkins on the silver. Atkins on the pink. Taurasi on the flash. Zaya Cook out of $3.99. Then the rookie inserts. Sevgi Uzun on the silver. Jaylen Brown on the future flash. I like saying that. Sounds like a superhero. And then Julia Van Loo on the red. Cracked ice. And let's see. And then my local hit, Dana Evans out of U of L. I'll go with Brink. Just a base. Angel Reese on the, this is a courtside. Yeah, a little different than a base. Might have one or two of those. I'll throw you over here too, even though you're not a rookie, but my Cardosos, got the base. Then I've got a silver on the Premier. So a nice Cardoso to have. Here's my base Clarks. Then I have the courtside Clark, which I do not think I have already. And of course I don't have these, but there's the Flash All-Star. Pretty card. Then the big hit was the blue Flash Snapshot. Numbered out of 99. Ooh, pretty. And then there's me. No, there's the camera. Nope, that's me. All right. Well, so that's what I've got today, and the Dewberry continues on. All right, so next opening, I will crack open this 2019 Don Russ. 30 cards per pack, and 4 packs. That is weird. Why do that? You're just jamming them in those packs. And a whole bunch of stuff that I won't get. So I'm not going to bother reading it. All right. Well, that's it. And again. Ooh. Oh, she's upside down. Ooh. I mean, I'm not opening these for Clark, but if I'm going to get some Clark. Ooh. Nice. So, all right. And next time, again, 2019 Don Russ. So that's it for today's 5 blaster 110 box opening. So it'll be 2019, then I'll go back to the 5 blaster 110, and that'll leave me with 5 10s. Yeah. Till I can get some more supply to open. All right. Thanks for whoever shows up to take a watch. And if you watch through the whole thing, as I'm hitting 35, almost 36 minutes. All right. Feel like that's about 15 minutes too long, at least for my attention span. Thanks for being here. See you next time. Peace.